Hey girls, so today another storage review and update, collection update of some boxes. Have two boxes of Bloom and one box of Revlon. So let's go first in the review. So I have my pink cover, some only, and a pink butterfly, and I outline it, and some flower sequins, hearts, and I just removed Coco and put some pink on it, and my name, and my what do you call this? Cool PCC and section HFP. Holy Family for sure. So yeah, a huge pile again. So I'm gonna start from here to there. So first I have pink. Now I have 5 shades of pink, 2 shades of green. I have neat and dark green. I have 2 shades of yellow, neon yellow, and mustardy yellow. I have white, just white, and some are kind of tie-dye, but I just put it there because I don't have any more many storage. Another second pile of violet, 2 shades of, and 2 piles of orange. I have light orange and red orange. I have big pile of red, no shades, and tie-dye. I only have few. Oops, that's red. I couldn't see. So that's the color of the tie-dye. And now I'm getting more of some black. And I'm getting the clear ones, but with the color. I have 3 shades of blue. I have dark, light blue, and kind of aqua, but it's kind of teal and something, but it's not teal. I have another pile and 2 shades of violet here. I have light violet and dark and natural violet. I have another pile of orange, light orange, and red orange, and most importantly, teal, another color that I really love. I love this color, by the way. And we're done with that, so let's go ahead and go. So I have the box, and I already reviewed the loom. I have another storage compartment, some of my bracelets here, and I have a ring. Oops. Some more bracelets, big pile of beads, and go to my second rubber band collection update, so you know how it fits and if not. A big pile of S-clips. Yay! I have more. I have 10 hooks. I'll show you some colors. I have teal, red, pink, green, hot pink, yellow, another green, and metallic. So I have another piece of call this quarters or something. So let's go on to this box. So this box, I already reviewed the loom and some comparison of the 2 looms, and I have some 2 looms, and I already compared them in my loom, my second, I think, original loom, and some comparisons. I have the blue, and this is the big one, and it's not kind of real transparent or translucent. This one is the smaller, but it's more translucent and clear. And oops, I have some instructions. I have two instructions. I don't know why. It's the same, and it's the real rainbow room. Why? That's so unfair. And of course, the color is different. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and thumbs up if you love Bloom. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel and please do, cause I'm doing a contest on April after our school, and I'm really need to have a subscriber so I could give away many loom bands and rainbow loom. The second place will have a loom band, and the first place will have rainbow loom. And I already have rainbow loom, but I don't really use rainbow loom. I have it upstairs, but I kind of hidden and I forgot where is it. So yeah. So watch my previous rainbow loom stuff, and please watch my uh, last week's or last day video, and I think it's the pack thing. So yeah, so bye.